Make room for Javi.
Howdy folks, today's an interesting day, very relaxing. I installed an old solar panel that I had laying around, and so throughout the time that I'm not here, whether it's a day, a week, or a couple weeks, I'll have the battery topped off, which is a nice thing. Now I'm going to go and take this wonderful thing, the post hole digger that I created, and dig 2 holes. It's a little surprise for my wife. Now that I cleared out the lake area, at least a certain portion of it, there's a tree that's perfect for one side of a hammock. I need the other side, so let's do that, shall we? Now, last time I used this apparatus, I didn't have the post hole digger on it, trying to pull up a well pipe, snapped the cable. So, time to do a little fix-up. This is the part nobody sees. The walking back 2/10 of a mile just to get the camera to reposition it. I'll edit it in post. Maybe.
Make room for Javi.